Prakash Singh, our senior editor, now joining us on the broadcast. And Prakash, what is the Mumbai police up to? Because several lapses in the investigation that have been exposed, even the Bihar police claiming that the Mumbai police has not been cooperating. And now with Sushant's father alleging that he was forced to give a statement right after his son's cremation, is hinting towards an agenda that the Mumbai police may have had right from the start.
Well, I feel that the Mumbai police, who are conniving with the perpetrators of crime, should be arrested, and the investigation should be handed over to Republic TV. We at Republic TV have investigated much more better than them. We have exposed everything, the bank details, the revelations, the bodyguard, the trainer, and various other details, various Bollywood people talking about it. And more than that, it's become a public movement because the people of India and across the world are not satisfied with the investigation of the Mumbai police. And that is why the Mumbai police has lost its confidence, and also the confidence in the father of Sushant Singh Rajput, KK Singh. That is why he had to move to Patna to lodge an FIR against the misdeeds of the Mumbai police. And as a matter of which he lodged an FIR, the Patna police reached there, and again they were exposed because the Mumbai police was not cooperating, is still not cooperating with the Patna police in the investigation. And there is a cry from all over the world that Sushant Singh Rajput should get justice, despite unraveling various truths about the bank details and the statements. And within 18 hours, the ED summons.
Basically, we have lost a very big person. He's like a brother to me, and also to the whole entire nation. It was a very big shock. So personally, I've started to come out of this grief since I'm back with my family and everything. They're helping me out to get out of this entire grief and everything. All I have right now is the good memories which I have shared with Sushant, being in Mumbai with him.
So how was your experience with him? How close were you to him?
We were quite close because we shared an apartment. So basically, when after I was in Jaipur, he happened to see my work somewhere. So and then through a common friend, he approached me he invited me over to come and work with him. So he had a lot of dreams. Tanaki dreams unde chala. ఆ డ్రీమ్స్ ఏంటంటే ఒకదాని తర్వాత ఒకటి టిక్ చేయాలి అనే ఒక come back to English? Yeah. Okay, sure. So he had a lot of dreams basically. So he had 150 dreams. So which could be, it's like they are like mini events which could take place in a day, an hour, or an entire week. So he wanted somebody to understand his idea, the concept behind those the ideas, and he wanted to create a team. He already created a team, and he thought I will be an extra good addition to his team. So he asked me, I'll be doing these activities, and you from your perspective, your filmmaking skills, try to see how you can make a video out of it. So that way we started riffing on different ideas that we can actually do from a video perspective and design and everything. We had very great conversation. He was a very good conversationalist. 10 minutes with him, he'll completely change your perspective on things.
So how come do you believe that he had some pressure, or he was in depression?
See, I wish I really know, because I was with him only to a certain capacity, only as a friend and a colleague who will try to take his work to the next level. And then I give his privacy. I never used to think about who he's meeting, who is he with, and how is his relationships going. I never really cared about it. We only cared about how things are working for our dreams, and how our what is the future that we can see in this, because he wanted to show his work to a lot of people and inspired millions of youngsters in India. So skill on सबको develop करना चाहते थे, और he wanted to help out a lot of youth, but unfortunately we have lost
So
him.
right now you have written an email, you have
Yes.
mailed to the police
Yeah.
about. So can you explain?
See, I have written that email only in a I've come to a very defensive this thing, because the family members they've called me and they have mentioned about a 15 crore transaction which happened in from Sushant's account to they are saying that Riya ने खर्चा करा है. And you will tell the statement in a statement that this thing happened. I have told the family member, sir, with all due respect, I will only tell what I know, what I honestly believe, what happened in front of my eyes and everything. They are like, so तुमको पटना आना पड़ेगा, आओगे? And मैं मैं हैदराबाद में हूँ, पटना में कैसे आऊँगा? And what suddenly there is a I have spoken with them. I have met them like after the incident. They're really nice people, but suddenly this change of mode is like I got anxiety, and then I quickly contacted the police saying कि this is what the scene is, and they have given me an email address. To that email address I have
Which year to which year were you with?
I was with Sushant from April 2019 to this July 5th onwards
Till
in the house. Yes.
Yeah. So regarding this allegation, what do you feel about the 15 crore transaction? What exactly?
See, I wish I really know about it, because अगर वो 15 crores के बारे में मैं जाना होता, if I knew about it, I would have given the statement on phone call only, because I have no idea about this 15 crores, where the 15 crores came from, and what happened exactly. That's why I have no idea what to even comment on it. That's the reason I have in fact given a mail to the system. Yes.
So